is tuning into the channel. And today I'm going to show you how to fix one of those how are they called, host. It was a childhood dream of mine to have one of those. It looks like very floppy, but when the water goes there, it goes like boom, you know, it's like pumping liquid through it, and boom, you know, it reminds me of things. Anyway, one bit was broken already, so this bit here was broken. As you can see, it's like a massive slot in there, like a gap. You almost could put a finger in there. So I just chopped it off. Obviously not that side, chopped it off, and then I shoved it back. But there's another hole, so we're gonna find a hole first, and then when we found it and located it, we're gonna stuff it so there's no hole anymore. Yeah? Oh, actually, as we can clearly see from yesterday, the hole is here because this is the only bit where it's wet. So every area which is slightly moisture and wet, there must be a hole, obviously, on a hose. Right, so now very gently cut a little bit of that green thing. Not too much. I hope I cut it the right where the actual hole is. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, must be here, and you guys can see this is the problem here. This is the problem at the moment. A massive, humongous cut. Yeah. Now it's a very simple procedure. Scissor is in there. Just a half a second till I get my scissor. Now, come. Limit. You just chop it. Yeah? That's it. Then chop that bit out of it. And I had lie around a piece of quite stiff isolation from a cable. I did a plug for this extension lead. Thank you very much whoever threw it out. And I'm gonna use this because it's gonna be good enough to shove it in here. Yeah, and never, guys, don't ever throw anything out because almost everything can be fixed. So don't be a consumer, be a fixer, you know, because if you throw it out, you have to buy a new one, cost you money, and everybody can buy who has money, but fixing things is not that easy. You have to have some sort of skills, a set of skills anyway. But if you keep watching these videos, you're gonna have more skills than you need. The Master of Random is gonna sort you out in all the ways. Right, and now check this out. I shove one underneath each other because there's plenty of space, because this is the magic. Yeah, it's a little bit fiddly, but when it goes in there, pause please till I feel. And now I managed, as you can clearly see, to push in this one underneath that one. So you see, this is like overlay, and now all you need, you just choose one cable tie, pull it together, and it's over. So let's put it to the test, shall we? as we can see, it's all trial and error. My idea worked, but unfortunately the pipe had another hole which I did not see, so I should have cut it here instead of just that little bit, because this pipe has 2 holes. So I hope you did get the idea. Now I'm gonna chop it again and put it further in. I need a new cable tie, but it's working fine. Don't need to tuning into the channel. Like, share and comment. Au revoir.